Hey dads, it's Jason here. And actually we were just driving down the road and we saw a couple swans out in the floods here close to our house. So we pulled over to check them out. There's something you could do with your kids, Dad. If you're driving down the road and see something cool, take a minute, take a second out of your busy schedule, stop and look. It's kind of cool. So go look for something cool with your kids, like some swans.